It's very easy to set up a funnel like this one. And I'm quite the expert at setting funnels. Here's what he's giving people. He's giving them a free ebook and he's giving them access to his is if you want to create a funnel, whether that be an ebook, in this case, and AI. Now, usually what and also another important thing that you could do products and it's an affiliate website. Okay, so that sells supplements and stuff. And so I just created this website. So it was created. Like certain things about the website. This is very natural. I understand what they mean. Products and it's an affiliate website. Okay, so that sells supplements and stuff. And so I just created this website. I think so it was created. About the website. This is very natural. I understand what they mean. It has the reviews. It has everything. No reviews, much lower price. Here they have whether it's going.